Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon taste better. For truly exceptional bacon, baking it in the oven is the only way. This method ensures even cooking and perfect crispiness every time. You'll achieve a consistent texture without the mess of stovetop frying. Let's dive into the simple steps to elevate your bacon game. To begin, line a baking sheet with aluminum foil for easy cleanup. Place a wire rack on top of the foil-lined sheet. Arrange your bacon slices in a single layer on the rack, ensuring they don't overlap. This setup allows air to circulate around each slice, promoting even cooking and maximum crispiness. Bake the bacon in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooking time typically ranges from 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your desired crispiness and the bacon's thickness. Keep a close eye on it, especially towards the end, to prevent overcooking. For extra crispiness, you can flip the slices halfway through. Once your bacon reaches its perfect crispiness, remove it from the oven and transfer it to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess fat. For an extra flavor boost, consider sprinkling a pinch of brown sugar or a dash of black pepper before baking. This simple technique will transform your bacon into a culinary delight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.